Which word means most nearly the opposite of graceful? A. Awkward. B. Malign. C. Indebted. D. Thankless. Or E. Sluggish. As graceful means having or showing grace or elegance, we want to find the word whose meaning is most opposite to that. Malign, indebted, and thankless can be marked off as they don't have what to do with graceful, opposite or not. We're left with awkward and sluggish. While one could argue that sluggish has connotations that could describe the opposite of graceful, when we keep in mind that our question is asking us which word means most nearly the opposite, we have to turn to awkward. Generally meaning not smooth or graceful, we can see how it better reflects graceful's opposite. With this in mind, we can mark A, awkward, as our final answer.